Hello, Sharif Abu Zaid here again, and in this new video I like to give you an overview about how you can install and activate the Kadence theme and also set up one of their starter templates to quickly launch your website. Kadence theme and all the Kadence plugins are my favorite themes and plugins. I keep using them every day for my own websites and also for my clients' websites. That's why I thought that it's necessary to show you how you can actually install and activate the theme and also set up one of their starter templates. Now let me show you how you can do this. Of course, you first need to install the Kadence theme, and you can easily do this by going to the Appearance tab. By the way, this is a fresh installation of WordPress. This is a demo or a test website. That's why I have no other plugins installed in this theme. So now let me show you how you can actually install the theme itself. So you simply go to the Appearance tab and then click Themes, and you choose to add a new theme. Then you can either just write down here Kadence and the theme will show up, or you just scroll down and you'll find Kadence as one of the most popular themes. So I just go to this tab and just click install, and then I will just click activate to have the theme activated in my website. So now the theme has been activated. Let's have a look about how the website looks right now. So we just click here and visit the website. So this is a bare installation of the Kadence theme. There are no pages, no blog posts, nothing in this installation. Now we need to install a starter template just to give us like a quick launch for our website. And we can do this by two ways. If you have this message, you can simply just click install Kadence starter templates here. And if you don't find this button, you can simply go to plugins and then click add new. And here you can install the Kadence starter templates plugin by just searching for it inside this search bar. So in this search bar, you write Kadence starter templates, and this is the plugin that we are looking for. You can simply start by installing it by clicking install now, and then you can activate the plugin. But because I am at this screen, I like also to install the Kadence blocks, because most of the starter templates, actually all of them, are designed by using the Kadence blocks page builder plugin. So I actually like to install it right away. So I just click install now. And now I need to activate both plugins. So let's start by activating our starter templates plugin by clicking activate. And then we are redirected into the plugins list. We can just activate the Kadence blocks plugin from this screen. So we just click activate. Now we have both plugins, the Kadence starter templates and the Kadence blocks plugin activated. Now we can actually start installing one of their starter templates. You'll find the library of all of the Kadence starter templates by going to Appearance. And here you'll find a new tab called Starter Templates. You can't find this tab unless you install and activate the Kadence Starter Templates plugin. So make sure first you install and activate the Kadence Starter Templates. So let's go to Appearance and then click Starter Templates. And this is the library. By the way, if you have Elementor installed in the website, you will have another screen giving you two options: either to start using the starter templates developed or designed with Elementor, or the starter templates designed by Gutenberg. You actually need to use or to choose the Gutenberg templates. So now you have this screen which includes all of their recent and all of their starter templates. You can go through this by just checking this tab and choose which type of websites that you like to see, which this is the filter. So if you like to see all of their courses templates, you just click here. All of these are the starter templates of the courses. And of course you can again filter by choosing which one do you like to show: the premium only, or the pro only starter templates, or the free only. If you like to install the premium one or the pro one, you need to actually buy the Kadence theme bundle, one of their bundles, to have access to all of these templates. So let me just show all of their templates, and then I'm going to install a free template. So I just choose the free only templates, and then we can go through all of these and choose whatever template that you can or you like to install. So let's say that we like to install, let's choose one of these templates. So let's go down. Actually, I like to install this one, which is the makeup starter template. So I just click on it, and here you'll have like the makeup. You can change all the color themes of this template, and you can simply test this out by choosing one of their color palettes or color schemes. So if you just choose this, as you can see, there has been globally changes. So whatever color palette or color scheme that you like to choose, you'll find all the colors change globally according to which palette that you are using. For example, let's choose this one. As you can see, we have been removed into the dark mode. This is the dark mode. If we are going to choose this one, as you can see, all the colors, all the buttons, and also the hover over effects are changed according to which theme or scheme, color scheme actually we use. So for this one, I like to use maybe this one. This is the original. Yeah, yes, we can just leave it like this, or maybe you can choose this one. I like this one better. Okay. And then you can change either the fonts, I mean the global fonts of the colors. Of course, you can change all of this later on. I'm going to show you how you can change it. But still, now you have the opportunity to choose your global fonts and colors from this screen. So let's change this to something like this one. Down here, you'll find all the required plugins. So most probably, and actually on all of the websites or in all of the starter templates, you need to install the Kadence blocks. That's why I started by installing the Kadence blocks plugin itself. As you can see here, we have 2 required plugins to make this website function as we like, or according to the starter template. So you have the Restrict Content Pro, which is another like a free membership plugin. If you like to install it, you can just install it now. But for this website to work, you need to have the Restrict Content functionality. However, if you don't like to have this functionality, of course you can just deactivate and actually delete the plugin itself after this. But I'm just getting started with this template to give me like a quick launch by having like 2 pages for the membership, the coming soon, the contact page, the courses page, and the blog. So I'll just choose this template. And if you like, by the way, if you like to choose another one, you can just click this X icon, and you can go back to the starter templates library and choose whatever theme you like or starter template you like. So I will just click full site to install the complete site. If you like to just install one of their pages, you can actually choose single page, but I like to install the whole website, so I just click full website. And now we are taken to this window where you can just review these important details. Again, the Kadence theme will ask you or will show you the required plugins and also the font pair that you have chosen, and important settings if you like to import all the customizer settings and also all the content. I like to make this because I'm just installing the starter template in a new installation. Of course, if you like to subscribe to their newsletter, you can just add your name here, but I am already subscribed, so I just skip this and start importing. So I just click skip and start importing. And let's give this a few moments to be imported. And here we go. We have like a message that's telling us that the installation of the starter template has been finished, and now we can view our website. But here I have a quick note for you. Sometimes this process doesn't go smoothly. So my recommendation is that once you know the exact plugins that you need to install, you can just go back to your plugins list and install these plugins first, and then try to install the starter template again. Now let me show you how does the website looks like right now. So let's click finished and view the website. And now this is how our website looks like, from a blank page into a complete and full website that we can start just tweaking and customizing by adding our content and our images to start using this website. And now if you want to like customize, as I mentioned, and tweak the website and add your own content, you can actually start the customization process by 2 steps. You can do global customization by going to the WordPress customizer tab, and also you can customize each page by using the Kadence blocks. First, the Kadence blocks plugin, of course. First, let me show you how you can make the changes inside the customizer. So you can access the customizer by 2 ways. You can just click customize here, or from your dashboard you can just go to appearance and choose customize to customize or to access your customizer setting. So let's click customize to access the customizer settings, and here you can make many globally changes. For example, you can just go to the colors and fonts, and here under the colors you can change the colors of the website. Maybe you have changed your mind, you like to change the colors itself. You can actually change them from this global palette option under the colors inside the customizers tab. If you like to change maybe the header, you can do this by going to the header tab, and here you can add a few items to your header, you can change. Maybe you need to make sure that your social icons links are correct. So you just click this settings tab, and here you can change the icons if you like to change them to whatever you want. If you like to show an icon label, you can make this from here, and here you can change whatever icons or whatever global changes that you like to make inside your header. If you like to change the button itself, this is the button. You can just click here, and if you like to change, maybe you need to change the link, you can change it from here. So inside the customizer, you can make all of your changes. Let me show you one change that maybe you like to add to your blog posts. So let's go to the blog archive page, and here you can make the changes that you like to the blog archive page by going to the posts and page layout section, and under archive, here you can make all the changes you like. For example, if you like to have like a 2 columns row or a 2 column layout for your blog post, you can simply do this by going here under the post archive columns and change it from here. So now you can have like 2 columns layout. If you like to make changes inside the look and feel, or if you like to make changes about the look and feel of your blog posts themselves, you can just start by opening one of these blog posts, and then you go back to the single post layout, and here you can make a lot of changes. For example, if you like to change the post title layout, you can just make it from here, something like this. If you like to add the featured image, by just change it from here. So now the featured image will appear, and you can change whatever, like the position of the featured image just behind the title itself. You can just make it from here. Of course, you can make some changes from like stretch to full if you like to stretch the image itself according to the width of the screen. I like this change according to this website, so I just leave it like this. Now we can just click publish. All the effects that we have been doing inside the customizer will be now published across all of our website pages. So this is the first way you can customize your Kadence theme. You can just do this inside the customizer. Now let me show you the next or the other step or the other way that you can customize each of these pages. You can simply go to your your dashboard and open any of the website pages. So let's go to the all pages and click all pages. And you know what? Let's open one of these pages. So let's open the about page. So let's click edit and open in a new tab. And because this is a fresh installation of Kadence, actually WordPress, I received this message, so I just can click to close the message itself. Now this is the page itself. Let me show you how you can figure out the structure of the page. You can actually do this by just clicking this icon here, which is the document overview. So just click here, and now we can know the skeleton or the structure of the page itself. As you can see, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row layouts, and a row layout means a container or a larger section. I like to call it like a container. This is the main container and inside this container you can add different types of widgets that has been added by the Kadence plugin. You remember it, the one that we have already installed even before installing the starter templates. The Kadence plugin will give you the options, or many options actually, to design or the look and feel of your website. So now we have like 5 row layouts. So once we click on one of these row layouts, you will have here in the right sidebar or in the right sidebar, yes, of the screen, you have 3 tabs: the layout tab and the style tab and also the advanced tab. Most of the time you'll be working inside the layout tab and the style tab of this row layout. Now if you like to know which items, if you like to change something inside the row layout, you can just click here, and now we have one section. Section here means a column. So we have this row layout has one section, one column, and inside the column itself we have like 3 widgets: an advanced text tab, another one, and another one. You can make changes to any of these. For example, if you like to change the font size of this advanced text tab, again you'll find yourself with 3 tabs, but in this case it is called the general tab and the style tab and the advanced tab. Only the row layout tab has the layout tab. For example, if you just go here, you'll find the layout tab, which here you can control how many columns you can or you like to use inside the row layout. But because we are choosing just one section, now we need to make changes to the the advanced text itself, we can make this from here. You'll find it, all the options here. For example, let's choose this one, and let's make under the general, let's make this like H4. You'll find now the H4 photography options have been applied inside this advanced text. And the advanced text means like the text widget. You can use it to add your paragraph, your headers, your sections. I mean, just for the typography options, the typography options or effects of your text. If you like to make this, like change the color of it, you can just change it from here. So let's change it to be something like this. As you can see now, we can change everything inside this text. So we just can leave it like this. If you like to change this, maybe you like to change this text, advanced text, to be something like black, we can make it from here. I think this looks a little bit better now than the previous one. So this is how you can control the text inside each page. Now let's move to another container. So let's go to this or another row layout. So here we have another row layout. So when we choose it, as you can see, we have two columns. This row layout contains two columns or two sections. And once you choose one of them, we can just click this row and choose this is the section. Now we have the section options itself. We can go again to the style, the advanced, and find out how we can change this. By the way, usually the general tab will give you options about maybe the typography options. So you know which, like the sizes, you actually can, sorry, but you can change all the styles, like the size, the font itself, the colors inside the style tab. And in the general, they will just give you a general overview of the structure or the general options for this section or widget or image or whatever widget you are using. So this section has, inside the section, we have like an advanced image only. So this section has only one image. And again, in the right side bar, you'll find all the options relevant to the widget, the advanced image widget. And here, of course, you can just change the widget or change the image from here. You can change the size from here if you like to change the size from here. If you like to make some other changes under the style, you can change maybe the radius or the border. You can add like a border. So let's try like add this like 25 pixels as you can see, and just 250. And you can, as you can see, I have made some changes about the look and feel. And if you like to change this, you can just choose them and make to whatever changes you like. If you like to change the text itself, you can just highlight it and add your text here, add text here, and add whatever you want. So this is how actually each page or each block inside design inside each page works. So we have now been talking about the customizer, about the Kadence blocks, row layouts, and how you can make changes to it. But something that can drive you crazy if you like to make some changes to specific pages. So maybe you have, or maybe you like to create a new page and use the design library of Kadence blocks to design your page. And I'm going to give you an overview about how you can do this. But still, you need to make like globally changes for this page only. You can actually do this by going to this icon, which is called page settings here. And here you can make like changes specific to this page. For example, if you like to disable the page title of a certain page, you can do this from here. If you like, to remove the header and footer of the page, you can just disable the header and footer from down here. All the settings or all the changes that you make under the page settings of each page will be applied to this page only. If you like to make a global change across all of your website pages, you actually need to do this inside the customizer. Now this page is almost ready, so I'll just click update and I will just view the page. So as you can see, our changes have been reflected here. I mean, the change to our font colors and size, and also the changes we have made to the image itself. Now let me show you how you can use the design library of Kadence Theme to create a new page. And you can create a new page by going to your dashboard here, and then under pages you can just click add new sets. So let's open this in a new page, and let's call this one like a new page. It's just for the sake of simplicity, so let's call this new page. And now you can start adding templates created by the Kadence blocks or the Kadence blocks plugin itself. So once you click design library here, you will have access to tens of templates that you can use. But again, you have here two kinds of templates. pro ones and free ones. If you like, all these marketed with pro means that you need to have the Kadence Blocks Pro, which I highly recommend that you buy because it gives you access to other widgets, for example, an advanced contact or an advanced form widget, and also will give you access to all of these templates which you can use to quickly launch your website pages. So if you like to use one of these, so we have here actually in the templates we have two things. We have the patterns or the blocks themselves, so these are all the blocks, and also you can install complete pages. So these are full pages that you can actually install on, you can just install like what we did with the starter template. For example, if you like to install this page, we can just choose it and click to install it. But let me give you a moment or a note first. Maybe you have noticed it, but as you can see, all the colors here, I mean the this color, the black one and the maybe pink one, are taken from our customizer, which means that all the pages that we install now will take all the fonts, the colors, settings from the customizers, from the customizer settings. So these are called like global pages. So let's, as I mentioned, you have two options. You can just install one of the sections under the patterns, or you can just install one of the pages. So let's, install this page, or let's, install this one. So let's click here. And now the complete page has been added, and now we can start tweaking this page. So let's click publish, publish again, and let's view the page. And this is the page. But maybe you have noticed that this page has like some sort of like the page itself, like the page title appears, and also the width of the page is not something that we like to have. And this is where the beauty of the local page settings or each page settings that you can change. Let me show you what I mean. So again, if we just go to the page settings, now we can disable the page title and we make the page layout full width to make sure that our content is stretched across all of our page, and just click update, and let's go to the page and let's click refresh. And now we have a beautiful looking page that we can start tweaking. If you have noticed that we have like some things here, maybe we need to tweak this. Maybe I think we know, maybe we can just go to the page itself and make this unboxed style, and let's disable the header, the spacing above the page, and let's click refresh. Hopefully this will be done. As you can see now, the page or the spacing has been removed. Of course, we need to make some changes to make this looks more beautiful. For example, if you like to add like some spacing before this text, you can do this by going again to this document overview and choose your role layout, and under the icon of the settings itself, under the advanced way here, we can change, or we can make some changes to can increase the padding, or you can actually increase it from here and from here. If you like to add some margin, you can just do this from here. If you like to add some margins from here, and you can make all the changes that you like to this page. I think now we can have like a full functional website in just a day. If you have all of your images and all of your content ready, you can just add it here. If you like to remove one of the pages, for example, if you like to remove the blog posts, the old blog posts, you can simply do this by going to your dashboard. And if you like to maybe choose or delete one of these pages, for example, your membership page, if you just open this, if you don't have like a membership feature inside your pages, you can actually go to all your dashboard and go to the pages, and you just click here and just choose this page, and let's choose also the new page that we have created. If you like to remove it, and you just click here and move to the trash, and now both pages have been removed. Of course, if you don't have the membership feature, you need to deactivate the Restrict Content Pro plugin, which has been installed while we have been installing the Kadence starter templates. And you can simply do this by going to plugins and then click install plugins, and you just deactivate the plugin first, and then you click delete to delete the plugin itself. So this is how easily you can install and activate the Kadence theme, and also set up one of their starter templates and make global changes to all of the website pages, and also specific changes to each page of your website. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I publish a lot of videos about how you can use the Kadence theme, the Kadence blocks plugin, the Kadence conversion, and many other plugins that have been provided by the Kadence WP team. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.